For Murray homeowners, maintaining a comfortable home throughout the year means finding solutions that can handle both cold winters and hot summers. One of the most effective ways to achieve year-round comfort and lower utility bills is by investing in energy-efficient window replacements. Today's advanced window technologies are designed to adapt to changing climates like Murray's while providing added benefits such as noise reduction, improved aesthetics, and higher property value. Why energy-efficient windows matter in Murray? Murray's climate can be unpredictable. Chilly winters bring drafts and higher heating bills, while warm summers push air conditioners to work overtime. Old or poorly insulated windows allow conditioned air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing your monthly expenses. Energy-efficient windows act as a barrier between the outdoor elements and your living space, helping maintain a stable indoor temperature regardless of the season. Top energy-efficient window options: double and triple pane windows. Double pane windows are a significant upgrade from single pane glass, as they include an insulating gas, usually argon or krypton, between the panes. Triple pane windows take efficiency to the next level, offering even more insulation and soundproofing, making them ideal for homes near busy roads or high-traffic areas. Low-E glass coating. Low emissivity. Low-E glass has a special coating that reflects heat back inside during the winter and blocks unwanted solar heat during the summer. For Murray's fluctuating climate, Low-E glass ensures year-round efficiency without compromising natural light. Vinyl and fiberglass frame. The window frame plays an equally important role in efficiency. Vinyl frames are durable, cost-effective, and require little maintenance, while fiberglass frames provide superior insulation and strength. Both options help reduce heat transfer compared to traditional aluminum frames. Casement and awning windows. Casement and awning windows are excellent choices for maximizing ventilation while ensuring a tight seal when closed. Their design minimizes air leakage, which is particularly beneficial during winter months in Murray. The benefits of window replacement for Murray homes: lower energy bills. With better insulation, your heating and cooling systems won't need to work as hard, saving you money over time. Improved comfort. No more hot or cold spots. Energy-efficient windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Noise reduction. Multi-pane glass and insulated frames block outside noise, adding peace and quiet to your living spaces. Environmental impact. By using less energy, you reduce your home's carbon footprint, contributing to a more sustainable community. Increased home value. Buyers today look for eco-friendly and energy-efficient features, making new windows a strong selling point. Professional installation matters. While the type of window you choose is critical, proper installation is equally important. Even the most advanced windows can underperform if not installed correctly. Murray homeowners should work with professional window contractors who understand local climate conditions and can ensure airtight seals and proper fit for maximum efficiency. Conclusion. For Murray homeowners, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is more than just a home improvement project. It's an investment in comfort, savings, and long-term value. Whether you choose double-pane windows with low-E coatings, durable vinyl or fiberglass frames, or specialized designs like casement windows, the right choice can dramatically improve your home's performance in every season. By selecting the right energy-efficient window replacement options and working with experienced professionals, you can enjoy a more comfortable, quieter, and energy-conscious home that stands up to Murray's unique climate.